Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download animated lower thirds into After Effects, complete guide step by step clearly. To download animated lower thirds for After Effects, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to a website that offers free or paid After Effects templates. Search for animated lower thirds in the search bar. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your project. Click on the template to view its details and specifications. Ensure the template is compatible with your version of After Effects. Check for any additional required software or plugins mentioned by the creator. Once you've made your choice, locate the download button on the page. If required, complete any purchase process or fill out necessary information. After your payment is confirmed, or if you're downloading a free template, click the download link. The template will typically download as a zip file. Find the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All to unzip the contents. Open the extracted folder to locate the After Effects project file and any additional assets. Launch Adobe After Effects on your computer. Import the downloaded project file by clicking File and then Import. Navigate to the folder where your animated lower thirds template is located. Select the project file and click Open. Once the template is loaded, you will see it appear in your project panel. Drag the desired lower third composition onto your timeline. With the layer selected, customize the text and graphics as needed. Preview the animation by hitting the spacebar to play your timeline. Make any additional adjustments to timing or effects to suit your project. Once satisfied, render your final video by going to Composition and then Add to Render Queue. Set your desired output settings and destination folder. Finally, click the Render button to export your finished video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.